Many factors influence career planning, from the early stage of career development, childhood fantasies, to your adult decisions. The ideas about your career are shaped by a multitude of factors. We will present you the most influential. Personality type. Knowing your personality type will aid you selecting a career field that is a good fit for you, searching for a job, marketing yourself, and evaluating opportunities that arise. Skills, abilities and talents. These are strongly related to your education, especially high school academic experience and completed training and courses. By considering your skills, abilities and talents, you may find out how they fit a particular job or occupation, create your occupational profiles for specific jobs, and identify activities you enjoy and those in which you have a level of competency. Behavior, self-presentation and self-efficacy. The behavior is sometimes more important than job performance. Consider your career goals and modify accordingly your behavior, self-presentation and self-efficacy. Culture. Our culture shapes our values and expectations. Your cultural background as well as your regional area and ethnic group can influence your future work choice. Culture may influence how you look at career decisions in general and how you make choices for yourself. Gender. Both men and women have experienced career-related stereotypes. How you view yourself as individual may influence both the opportunities and barriers you perceive as you make career decisions. Interest. There is a strong connection between the personality type and career fields, a classification system that matches personality characteristics and personal preferences to job characteristics. You can find your match and receive a list of related occupations by completing a questionnaire on the internet. Life roles. Being a worker is just one of your life roles, in addition to others such as child, student and parent. These roles change over the course of your life. How you think about yourself in these roles, their requirements and the external forces that affect you, may influence how you look at career in general and how you make your choices. Social and economic conditions. All of your career choices take place within the context of society and the economy. Events that take place in your life may affect the choices available to you and even dictate your choices to a certain degree. Changes in the economy and resulting job market may also affect how your career develops. Previous experiences. Having positive experiences and role models working in specific careers may influence the set of careers you consider as options for yourself. You are likely to consider continuing a particular task if you have had a positive experience doing it. In this way, you'll focus on areas in which you have had proven success and achieved positive self-esteem. Parents, teachers, friends. Socializers such as parents, teachers and friends are highly influential and play an important role in career choices, as career-related discussions mostly occur with parents, peers and school teachers or counselors. Family involvement is the most significant predictor of career choice in gender-dominated occupations. Remember, choosing the future career is perhaps the most important decision in your life. That's why you have to think well and weigh all the pros and cons. Take into account all important factors, as only a well-considered and balanced decision can make your life better.